Hi everyone, welcome to New Tech Made Easy. I know you've heard about ChatGPT and maybe asking yourself what is it and how can I use. Sit back and watch as we will guide you on how to get set up to use ChatGPT in just 3 easy steps and will provide some examples of what you can accomplish using it. Well, ChatGPT is a large language model that uses artificial intelligence to hold text conversations with users that can feel natural, as if you are asking another person the question. The human like responses are useful when translating from one language to another, looking for directions on how to do something and create written content, as it is able to write anything from songs to cover letters. So don't worry, today I will guide you how to set up and start using ChatGPT. The first step is to create and set up OpenAI account. For this, go to chat.open.ai.com and register for an account with an email. The website link is below. You need to create an account to log in and interact with ChatGPT. The second step is to accept the terms. Once you have logged into your OpenAI account, read through the terms and disclosure from ChatGPT and click on to next. The third and last step is jumping right in and getting started. No, you can access ChatGPT. It's time to get started with it and ask the language model any questions you may have and see what kind of answers you can get. Let's have a look at some examples of ChatGPT. Or you can ask questions from ChatGPT. Well, as you are seeing, there is a search bar at the center bottom of the screen. You can type anything here and ask questions from ChatGPT. Well, I am going to ask question from ChatGPT. I will paste it here. I want ChatGPT to write a song about dog named Fluffy that likes to jump fences. Let's see what it answers us. As you are seeing, ChatGPT has started generating the response. You are seeing that it is writing a song about the dog, and it is very amazing that I just gave him a prompt and it started writing. So you can see what it can do. Now let's see another example. Now you want to ask ChatGPT another question. So for this you can use new chat option on the top left of the screen. Just click on it. A new screen will appear in front of you. Just write your question here. So I want to ask ChatGPT what is a Big Bang theory. So as you are seeing, it has started generating the answers. Well, let's just see what the answer is. As you are seeing, it just created 3 paragraphs and it's very amazing that how it created this answer. Well, let's suppose you don't like this answer and the answer is not correct. So what I will do is click on regenerate response. It will generate a new response here. As you are seeing, it has created a new response and it's much better. Let's ask another question from ChatGPT. Summarize Catcher in the Rye for me. As you are seeing, ChatGPT has started generating the response. So as you can see, ChatGPT is telling us who wrote this novel and when it is published and what the book is about. Well, let's just ask something more interesting, like write a haiku about love. So as you are seeing, ChatGPT has started generating the response and it has wrote a haiku about love. Hearts beat faster, now two souls entwined as one whole. Love a timeless woe. Wow, don't you think it's beautiful? Well, now you are thinking, how is it answering all these questions? And how is it generating all these responses? Well, ChatGPT uses reinforcement learning with human feedback to intelligently process its environment during human demonstrations and adapt to different situations with learned desired behaviors. It's been trained on substantial amount of data and continuously learning through the knowledge users provide, making it able to give educated responses on a vast variety of topics. Have fun with it. As you can see that the possibilities are endless as it is continuously learning with each new interaction. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. As always, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.